Welcome back to another adventure, everybody. Tonight we'll be bringing you along for something special and a first time for us. We'll be bringing you along for our Happily Ever After's dessert party. We'll show you everything this separately ticketed event has to offer, and we'll have some fun along the way. Let's go. This is one of the coolest things I love about Magic Kingdom is the confectionery. Getting the popcorn, seeing all the bakers baking everything and making all the candy for the day. It's such a cool feeling.
It is. You can see her putting the M&Ms and all the chocolate, making Rice Krispies. Ooh, that one looks good too. It's Reese's, I think.
Okay, so right now I'm letting my family that we're with choose exactly what they want to do today. It is their day. We're just tagging along with them, and they went to the confectionery for the first treat for the day. It's like having, to me, it looked like having a bucket of like fall weather in a bucket. But in a sweet way. It was pretty cool. They actually also to have the Starlight bucket. I did see that. It was actually pretty neat. There's a bunch of blue and purple candies and drizzle all over. It looked really, really good. Speaking of that, hopefully we get to see that tonight. We'll show you that as well. It'll be our first time. We haven't been to Magic Kingdom together in a while, so hopefully we can show you that as well for the fireworks. But yeah, today looks like it's going to be a great day. Okay, it's officially fall weather, and it's officially fall here at Walt Disney World. I love this Haunted Mansion merch. I've been eyeballing this Haunted Mansion jersey for a very long time. It has 99.9 or 999 on the back, for those that get the reference. I'm getting it finally. I've been pushing it off for a while, trying to save up for it, so I'm finally getting it. I love wearing baseball jerseys in the fall. They're such a vibe. We're about to get on Jungle Cruise. I can't remember the last time we've been on Jungle Cruise.
I think it was a Christmas party.
It was like 2 years ago, honestly. So I'm really excited to bring you along for this one. Hopefully we get a good seat. For this one and enjoy it. So come along.
First time, so you guys still single? We're gonna find someone for you guys, okay? We got a lot of monkeys around here. Alright, my friend, as always, thank you. You're gonna help keep the water out, okay? I'm kidding, nothing keeps the water out. What is my line? Never mind. I'm supposed to remember because we are clear!
Get out of here! Everybody scream!
Don't worry, it's made out of plastic. Come in! I was able to save my coffee pot when my teeth paid the... What? The silent treatment? That's fine, I kinda like that one. That is enough, I can't go ahead and into the rock. How do I know they're old? Look at them, they're still in black and white. This zebra here is showing us one of the rules of the jungle. Don't be a zebra. Don't worry, that's the way they sleep every single day. Next, I love you! I'm ready for commitment, babe! Except that one, but don't look. I said don't look. You got curious, right?
That's arguably probably the best skipper we've ever had.
Skipper Fred, 10 out of 10.
It was very, very funny.
Yeah.
It's been a while since I've been on that, so I don't remember a whole lot of things that went on, especially with the water splashing up. I kind of remember the elephants spraying water on us. I don't know, it's been a while, but it was fun. Definitely a good start to the day. From here on, I think we're going to go... We're going to surprise them. They don't know how Tiana's is, so we're going to throw them on Tiana's for the first time to get the reaction. They have no idea they're about to get soaked. All this Cajun music is wanting me some beignets right about now.
I know, it's so hot, but I would like a beignet. That does sound really good.
Gonna make a run for Port Orleans or what?
I wish, I know. Oh man.
Alright, we made it.
I'm scared. Yes! Oh my god! Oh man! Oh my gosh! I'm soaking wet. Soaking wet.
All right, so the walk from Frontierland to Tomorrowland had really dried us off. It took us a little while to get dry from all that water we just got splashed and soaked with. We got completely dripped. My back is completely wet right now. I think that's gonna take a little while for that to completely dry up, but we're rushing on over to Tron for our second, well no, this is our first lightning lane of the day. So far today, it's been a great day. We've done a lot.
Very productive.
Yeah, so I'm glad we got that water ride out the way.
Yeah.
Because
we needed to cool down.
Yeah, it was pretty hot earlier. So let's get on Tron. If that walk from Frontierland didn't dry us up, this Tron will definitely dry us up with that launch. I can't wait. Imagine the water just blowing off of us while we're launching through that tunnel. So cool. I can't wait to get on. Alright, that ride and that launch never gets old. Now, on to arguably the best ride here in Magic Kingdom, the PeopleMover. If you know, you know. Something different. Space Mountain is down right now, so it's dead quiet in here. Hear all the lights on. It's so neat. One of the things that I'm really excited about after riding the Haunted Mansion here is hopefully in the next few weeks I'm trying to set something up to go to California. I'm looking forward to riding and comparing the Haunted Mansion and Disneyland. I don't know. We'll see how it is. It is. They've said this is better. I've heard.
Oh, dang.
This is better, but that's the original. So I don't know. Kind of debatable. I guess it just depends on personal, personal preference. So, but I can't wait to go over there and compare it, and just in a good way, not in a bad way, but just to see a whole different Haunted Mansion. I've never seen another Haunted Mansion before. I've known this all my life, so I'm really excited to that. Always fun getting on that. There's a little boy screaming and crying that he was scared, and that was me when I was little. That was me when I was little, so I feel him for that one. But also too, while we're walking over to get our food order at Pecos Bills, where you just noticed the river is empty, and we're going to show you real quick. This is very weird and eerie to see, but it's exciting as well too, because that means they're on the move and they're like rushing to get this new Villains Land. So I'm really excited about that. It's coming. This honestly is so weird to see this. I've never seen it like this before. Even for like maintenance, I've always just missed it. This is very eerie and kind of sad to see. It really is. But at the same time, it is exciting. New things are coming to Magic Kingdom, and I'm here for it all. I know a lot of people might not like it, but I'm here for it. We'll see how it turns out, but I'm gonna take some more video just to have some memories of this place. And it's just weird. It's weird. It's construction. It looks like a construction mess right now. So I don't know. I was really thinking they were gonna have walls so you couldn't see this, but this is actually kind of cool just to say your like kind of final goodbyes to this. You know, the people that hold this place to it's special to them. So it's weird, but it's cool at the same time. Alright, hopefully this happens because it looks like there's some dark clouds coming, but we're here at Tomorrowland Terrace, and we're here for the dessert party, pre-party for the fireworks. This is our first time ever doing something like this. It's been on the list to do for quite a while, but we just never got to it, and we never had the time. We were always just go, 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 and today was just kind of like a slow day, so bringing my mom and my sister along with us as well. Do something special for them, especially that they haven't seen the fireworks in a very, very long time. Pre-party, first time.
I'm in love. They have coffee for us old folks. I'm so excited. I can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bar. Bye. Cheers.
Cheers.
We made it. Mama, we made it.
I feel fancy. A little too fancy. Here we got the this is the dessert bar, and you can just all you can eat pretty much. You can grab as many desserts as you want.
Chocolate.
Oh, this looks so good.
Is that a cannoli?
All this looks amazing. I cannot wait to try some of this. I kind of regret getting this beer, but since it comes with the my ticket, might as well. Beer and fruit kind of doesn't go well with me, but this is actually very cool. I don't know why I've waited so long to do something like this. But this is actually very cool. So you have this grab and go bar, and they have some more. It looks like a crate. Look at that. Over here, you have a. This table.
It's a cookie table.
Cookie table. Okay.
So you can decorate. Cookies, you can decorate the brownies too.
Okay. All right. So this table is a cookie table where you can. There's some items like that, and decorate your cookies or brownies, whatever you choose. Pretty cool. You can make returns. You can come back. She's excited. She's trying to get everything. And also too, you have some cider. The grape.
Heaven, yes.
And
It's warm and hot.
you got some champagne, the crate.
Wow.
That's how you do
What
a.
does Lizzie McGuire say? This is what dreams are made of. Screw Paris.
Okay, so pretty much this is what you do for an hour and a half. We have 8, so it started at 8. Fireworks start at 9:30.
Yeah.
You have plenty of time to catch a buzz. You know what I mean? If that's all you want to do, just use this to
Or
just
get a sugar rush.
that, or just hang out and just
And
get
just
off,
relax.
get off your feet
Yeah,
and
for
enjoy
an hour.
enjoy the actual fireworks.
Yeah.
This is something I highly suggest. I can already tell this is well worth it, especially if you get here right at 8. You're in here immediately and you're straight to drinking or eating or whatever you want to do. You get to wind down and just relax. And also you get your private section in the garden to watch the fireworks, and we'll show you that as well. But
Yeah.
to me, it's money well spent. I think
1,000%.
I paid $145 per person. It is on the pricier side. I'm not gonna say it's not, but
Yeah.
hey,
You have to at least do it once.
yeah, at least if it wasn't this long, I would say it was probably not worth it. Like if it was just 30 minutes,
Right.
maybe 45,
Yeah, but an hour and a half.
hour and a half, you can get a lot done.
Yeah.
Just
I
relax.
can get my $140 worth, I'll tell you that.
From what I've already just experienced, I think it's worth it. It's
Stunning.
totally worth it, especially if you have a family and you just want to like get the kids maybe just to settle down or do whatever they want to do. Go make their cookies and decorate brownies, whatever it may be. I think it's well worth it. Especially if you're gonna come to Magic Kingdom maybe once, you know,
Right, your trip, yeah.
make it worth it. So,
Go big or go home.
yep, I'd say we got our money's worth.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely did. How many are you in?
6 glasses of champagne in. I got my money's worth.
We're gonna go to the garden now and get its spots, and we'll show you the fireworks. I'll probably have some thank you, some B-roll or some music over for copyright reasons, so enjoy the show. That's gonna be today's video, guys. We hope you guys enjoyed this spectacular night, this event. We truly believe that this is totally well worth it. I really think so. We'll see you guys on the next time, and like, subscribe if you liked this video today, and yeah, we'll see you next time.
See you next time.